Conditions will be moderate for outdoor activities this weekend. Pleasant breezes and sunny skies will take over. Temperatures will be in the similar range in Seoul for both Saturday and Sunday, with lows of 9 degrees and highs of 20 degrees. But daily temperatures will fluctuate, so make sure to dress in layers. Overnight temperatures will plunge for many inland regions, and this may cause frost or even ice. Please look out for the potential damage to agricultural crops. And for the coastlines, gusty winds of 15 meters per second are expected from time to time. This will lead to high waves as well. So for those near the shorelines, please stay away from breakwaters or piers. Mostly clear skies are expected for the morning hours. Tomorrow, Seoul will start off at 9 degrees, Jeju at 14 degrees. Highs will be jumping significantly, causing big contrast in daily temperatures. Seoul will get up to 20 degrees, Chuncheon 18, Daegu and Busan will be reaching 21 degrees. Clear skies are in the forecast for the next few days. On Wednesday, central regions, including Seoul, will see showers. That's all for now, and to the weather conditions around the world.